my name is Farhana and I'm a first year sociology student. It's 8:30 in the morning and I'm just on my way to my first lecture of the day, which is Statistics and Society. So yeah, let's go. So right now I'm in my statistics lecture, which starts at 9 AM, but as you can tell, I'm the first one here. So well done to me, student. Today I'm going to show you around how I fit my society activities with classes and lectures. So this is my statistics lecturer.
Hello, I'm JOUNI KUHA from the Department of Statistics here at the LSE, and today we're going to start the day with a lecture on SO 102, Statistics in Society, where we today talk about statistical graphics. In other words, how to do pictures well or how to do pictures badly.
Yes, high five.
Thank you.
Yay! So we've just finished our statistics lecture and now we are on our way to an academic advisor meeting. So we are at our academic advisor meeting. This is...
Hello, I'm LUCREZIA. I'm a sociology student, first year.
Yeah, and our academic advisor Janet has taken us out for tea. So this is my academic advisor Janet.
Hi there, I'm Janet Foster. I'm from the Department of Sociology and I run the academic advisee group that we're sitting in right now.
She's the best.
Today.
So now I am on my way to the second lecture of the day, which is SO 110, Power, Inequality and Difference. So that's my lectures and classes done for the day. We are now off to Islamic Society AGM, where we're gonna vote who we want our new committee members to be for the next academic year. Hi guys, we just come back from ISOC AGM.
Hi guys, my name's Altad. Let me vlog on behalf of Farhana. So yeah, we are on our way to a collaboration between UCL and LSE. So what's happening is that they're doing a Holi festival. So Holi's festival of colours.
Yes, festival of colours.
Holy.
And we are on our way to one of the biggest student festivals of the year, Holi 2018. We've put on our white t-shirts. We've put on our white t-shirts and we are ready to go. Yes, before. We're literally full of colour. Oh my god.
Oh, nice. I'm Ihsan. This is the Holi Festival at LSE. Make sure you
Okay guys, so we're on our way home. The vlog has come to an end. Holi is over. Thank you for watching if you made it this way to the end of the video, and
follow me on Instagram.
No.
_Altad.
So thank you very much. Thanks guys.